Hey there guys, this is your Manung and it's been a while. A few months ago, I started getting messages asking the same thing over and over again. Can non-European citizens work seasonally in Norway? Today, I'm sharing everything I've learned about seasonal work in Norway, especially for non-EU applicants who are serious about doing it the right way. So stay tuned guys. So, for today's video, if you've been seeing photos of Norway's fjords, snowy mountains, or midnight sun and thinking, can I actually work there for a few months? Then, this video is for you. A lot of people have been asking me about seasonal work in Norway. What jobs are available, who can apply, and how to apply. So, today I'm breaking it all down in a simple video. Let's get into it, guys. Alright, to start with, seasonal work in Norway means short-term jobs to several months, depending on the season. These jobs are common in industries that depend on tourism, agriculture, fishing, hospitality, and the good news is, many of these jobs don't require fluent Norwegian. But take note, Norwegian is an edge. Best seasons for work during winter time from November to March. Perfect if you love snow. Common jobs are ski, resort staff, hotel and lodge workers, restaurant and cafe staff, Northern Lights tour assistants. So mag-enjoy ka guys. Then, of course, popular areas such as Tromsø, Lofoten, Islands, Trysil, and Hemsedal are ski resorts. And during summer season, that's run from May to September. This is the most popular season. Common jobs includes farm and fruit picking jobs, hotel housekeeping, camping sites, and tour guides, restaurants, and bars. And these are the popular areas for these jobs, guys. Western fjords, rural farms, coastal towns. And these are the types of seasonal jobs. Here are the most jobs people can get. Farm and agricultural work, hotel housekeeping and reception, restaurants, cafe and bars, ski resorts, and activity centers. And of course, fish processing factories. It's interesting, isn't it? And these are focused more on reliability and willingness to work than fancy experience. And the question is, where to find seasonal jobs? This is part everyone usually asks about it. So here are the places where you can find. At nav.no or nav.no, Norway's official job portal. Search for seasonal arbeit or seasonal work. Then you will see. That's the keyword, guys. Finn.no, very popular Norwegian job site. Finn.no. Use filter and research in English too. It's direct application. There you can see many hotels, farms, and resorts. Hire directly. Go to their website, check the careers for jobs, send a short CV, simple cover letter, and you can also find them in Facebook groups. Just search for seasonal jobs in Norway and you'll see it. Work in Norway, farm work Norway. Those are the keywords that you can use. Just be very careful, guys, of scams. Take note, scams never pay to get a job. Then the question is, do you need a visa? Well, this depends on your passport. EU, EEA citizens, of course, no visa required, just register after arrival. For non-EU citizens, you guys usually need a seasonal work permit, but everything can be done. You must have a job offer before applying. Always check the official immigration website, which is UDI, or we call it here at UDE Norway, for their latest rules. And I'm giving you application tips, guys. Here's how to improve your chances. Keep your CV simple. You don't need to make like several pages. Highlight any hospitality, farm, or physical work. Mention availability dates clearly. Apply early as you can. As early as you can, especially for summer jobs. Be honest about language skills, guys. So, just just a tip. Employers love people who say I'm flexible and ready to work. And that's it. So, here's the final thought. Seasonal work in Norway is a great way to earn money, of course, experience a new culture, travel one of the most beautiful countries. Woo! Countries. What are you waiting for, guys? So, it's not always easy work, but it is worth it. If this video helped you, drop your question in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and with someone who's dreaming of working abroad. This is your Manung Baru, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Alright, alright.